The first thing about stock selection for long-term investment is safety. The company should be financially stable with good growth prospects and stable management amongst other fundamental factors. But trying to do these complex fundamental analysis is beyond most of us who are lay investors. The happy coincidence is that we don't actually need to do this tedious analysis, since the ecosystem with credible parties doing it for us. There are many sources I can point to, but for brevity, I'll only mention simply Wall Street. Just Google it to reach their website. But I suggest the use of the innumerable NSE indices that provides not only a wide variety of companies included in their lists, but also technical charts for each index as well as its individual constituents. Link is posted in our group. Go check it out and discuss it in our WhatsApp group. Hope this video was understandable and useful to you. Do give me a thumbs up.